Rockfort Mineral Baths is located on the outskirts of East Kingston at the foot of the Long Mountain. It includes an historic military fort which gave the area its name. The complex operates as a subsidiary of the Caribbean Cement Factory and was declared a national monument in 1992. The bath is located on the road to the airport next to the cement factory. It is fed by a cold spring formed in the mountains above the area that made its first appearance following the earthquake of 1907. Extensive damage was done to Kingston and 800 lives were lost due to the earthquake. There is a large public pool and 11 private pools of varying sizes, all with whirlpools and wheelchair access. The slightly saline and radioactive water has great therapeutic properties. The water at Rockfort is piped from the cold spring into a swimming pool. It contains sodium, chloride, potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and copper. To avoid overexposure to the minerals, patrons are advised to spend no more than 45 minutes in the water. You might think that because the water comes from a cold spring, it would be cold. On the contrary, it's warm and relaxing. Sit under the jets and let the force of the water coax the stress and pain from your body. The private facilities have been closed to the public to facilitate well-needed upgrades. Adjacent to the baths is Rockfort, an English fort with rusty cannons. It was built in 1694 amid rumors of an imminent invasion by the French. Rockfort, which sits in an area previously known as Harbour Head, is the ruins of a 17th century rock fort that was once surrounded by a moat. First the site of a British rock fort, it was fortified in 1694 to protect the eastern edge of Kingston against an invasion by the French. It was used as a base to thwart any eastward advance of the Morant Bay Rebellion to Kingston and was last staffed in 1865. The site that once protected Kingston Harbour is under the administration of the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. We hope you enjoy Rockfort and Rockfort Mineral Baths. Thank you.